for your viewing pleasure, I've taken a liberty and created a little schematic. And I want you to see. A lot of the world will say a 1/2 inch side, a 1/2 inch front with a 1/4 inch tongue that is a 1/4 inch deep. I have broken more drawers than anyone you've ever met. And I make it with an 1/8 of an inch deep and an 1/8 of an inch wide, because no breaking. This one will break no matter what happens, and it will break along here as well. It's called grain. And even if we used MDF or particle board, it's still gonna bust. This is 3/8, this is a 1/4 inch. 3, that's smaller. This is deeper. The lever has less leverage. Therefore, this will break less often than this, I promise you. Let's make one and break one, okay? So this is my choice. This is someone else's choice. But that doesn't last like this does. I want this blade to be an 1/8 of an inch out of the sled. This is an 1/8 of an inch aluminum, but I'm gonna use this 1/8 of an inch to find the saw blades off, to find the setup, and I'm gonna chicken out and go a little bit less and start there. Okay, setup number 1. Setup number 2, we wanna see it here. Well, where does that wanna be? Well, it actually is going to be right there is my setup. So the thickness of the material should be on this side of the blade. I need to move it this way. How much? A little bit of nothing. I'm gonna take out my micrometer and I'm gonna put a little stop, a pencil mark on my stop block, okay? I moved that ever so slightly. If I moved it all the way out, that line would be an indication of where I began. So let's try that again. Okay, so now I've got my grooves in my real side parts, and it's time to cut my tongues. So, if you remember, the groove went up against the stop block and we made the cut. Now, what I have to do is raise the blade in order to make the tongue, and the stop block is going to be exactly up against the blade. So I'm going to take this and touch my blade. That's exactly an 1/8 of an inch. And the height is this dimension. Sorry, but it happened with the first setup and it's fitting together so nicely. Don't you just love test pieces?